Hi, I'm Zoe, part of our Teams team here at Microsoft. Welcome back to our Microsoft Teams YouTube channel. Now, let's say a customer service team member or a cross-department team, or maybe even a couple of store locations have come together to resolve a customer issue, resulting in some great feedback directly from the customer. What do you do to give those teammates a shout out to let them know how appreciated they are? Well, with praise in Microsoft Teams, you can instantly recognize individuals and teams for a job well done in 4 simple steps. To find the praise app, either use the 3 dots on the left side pane or search for it in a chat. If you have the app pinned to your Teams chat bar, you can even more easily start giving praise in any Teams chat. To send praise, click that badge icon underneath the message bar in a chat, and simply choose one of the badges like Team Player or a custom badge your company's created specific to your team culture and values. Once you choose the badge, select who you want to send it to and what you want to say. In this case, I'm going to send some praise to Joanna. And don't forget to use the note section to tell the team that they did a great job resolving the customer issue, and even include what the customer said. Last, but definitely not least, preview the praise to see what your team will be seeing before sending. And that's it. Now the whole team knows that Joanna did a great job resolving the customer issue, and the whole team can recognize her for her great efforts. Your team can not only instantly receive recognition, but they will also be able to send praise to their peers. You can even use all the recognition and praise to help determine the Employee of the Month. Now, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on what's new and explore all the ways you can use Microsoft Teams.